Hello everyone and welcome back to Mexmew. I'm Mex. Do you feel like your phone's internet connection is starting to slow down? Does loading websites take forever? Or are your videos constantly buffering? Actually, there's a hidden fast lane setting you can activate right now to make your browsing much faster. In this video, I'll show you how to enable a secret DNS in your browser. Please support this video by clicking like and subscribe. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome browser on your phone. Tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner, then go to Settings. Scroll down and find the Privacy and Security menu. Inside, look for the option called Use Secure DNS. Tap on that menu. By default, it's usually set to use your current service provider. To speed up your connection, select the option Choose another provider, and then select Customize. Tap the drop-down arrow, and here are the two best options I recommend: Google Public DNS or Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. Why should you change this? Think of DNS as the intermediary or lane between your phone and the website you want to visit. The default lane is often crowded and slow. By switching to Google or Cloudflare, you're using a VIP lane that's much more stable and responsive. The result? Website loading and video streaming will feel almost instant. Pro tip: if you want to protect your children's devices from negative content, you can choose clean browsing or the family filter. However, for maximum overall performance, Google Public DNS is the most stable choice. And that's it. Now, go ahead and open your favorite website and feel the difference. Your internet will definitely feel lighter and more responsive. Let me know in the comments, which DNS do you think is the fastest? I'm Mex. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if it helped you. I'll see you in the next tutorial.